Hey y'all, it's Mrs. Scalen. This week we're going to get our sketchbooks. You should have gotten them last week. And we're going to decorate the covers of your sketchbooks. We're going to first think about how you can write your name in some creative way. So I'm going to show you some tricks. And if you have another way, that's perfectly fine. But we want to make sure your name is in a creative way somewhere on the front of your sketchbook. Okay, get ready. You're gonna need a pencil, maybe some markers, or crayons or color pencils, whatever is your favorite art media to use. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some tricks for doing your name in some creative ways. So I'm going to do just my last name right now. So I'm gonna do a big S and then C A L, and I ran out of space, but that's okay because I'm just showing you a creative way to make letters. Now these look like just your standard letters. Now what you could do is you can draw and follow the line around that regular S that you did with your handprint. Not your handprint, with your pencil, in your normal handwriting, that's what I meant, your handwriting. And you're gonna make a fatter letter that's like a block or a bubble letter. You can go around and you can just have fun with the shape of it. I like to make my letters touch and overlap because that makes it interesting. So you see it's got my regular handwriting inside there, and I'm going to show you the trick that I'm going to do now. And you see I have a fun letter like that. I'm actually going to outline this one before I erase it. You could do that if you want, as long as you know which part you're tracing with your pen or your marker. So now you can see I erased the pencil lines inside of it, and so I have these big block kind of letters. So, and I've outlined them in black. Now I'm going to take one of my favorite colors and I'm going to color inside of it. If I want to make a pattern, I can make it interesting and make a pattern. So there's my colors and my patterns, but I can also, I can go back with a black marker and you can see how I went on the lines. You can outline again better. So anyway, this is a fun way to make letters for your sketchbook, to write your name, and it's an easy way to make block letters or bubble letters. And you can make them in whatever shape you want, as long as you just start with your regular handwriting and then you add to it, and it could be a fun way to make block letters using your own handwriting. So on the front of your sketchbook, you are going to do your name in whatever kind of letters you want so that we know your name. You make it really big and nice and neat, and do your best work and use your best creativity. Have fun.